The gym in Glide Crawford was recently renovated with all new equipment. Not only was the existing equipment replaced, but some new additions joined the gym as well, such as a deadlift platform and a squat rack. Assistant Vice President of Student Life, Joe Bruner, led the project along with help from Asbury Student Congress. The heart behind the project was to create a safe and private space for female students to exercise, including those living in Kresge and Aldersgate.
I don't have to worry about being seen inappropriately, and I can just work out and make it for me and not worry about anything else around me.
In Wilmore, Alex Deacon, Newswatch 3.